Hello and welcome. My name is Aram Yako, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can use ternary operation in your code. So let's dive in. First I will show you what we can replace with ternary operation. So let's create a string called comment equal to nothing, and then we do if, and we do an int age equal 18. If age is larger than 18, then we say comment is uh, over 18. Let's add it here. Else comment is equal under 18. And do console right line comment. So let's run this project. Oops. Is it above 18? No. Is it under 18 or equal to 18? Yes. And the comment will say under 18. Instead of doing this in 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, we can do everything in one line, and that is with the help of ternary operation. So we can remove the age. No, we add the age here. We add it above, and we say comment is equal to, and then the ternary operation look like this. So if I add it below here, we should have a condition. If condition is true, do what is between the question mark and the two dots here. If the condition is false, do everything between the two dots here. So we say string comment is equal to, and I write the condition. If age is above 18, then we're gonna write above 18. If it's not true, then we're gonna write under 18, and then we're gonna close it. So if you try to run the project now instead, we're gonna see that the age is 18, and then we will have under 18. Under 18. Do we make it 19 instead? We will have comment above 18. So that is how you can use ternary operation and make your code in one line instead of doing it in 4 or 5 lines. However, you have to keep in mind you can only use ternary operation when you have one line of code. So you cannot do if it's above 18, return age 18 and do other thing. You can only do one line code, and it has to be if you want if the variable is a string, then everything between the question mark and to the finish has to be a string as well. So that's the limitation we have when we are using ternary operation. This is one way to improve your code and also improve the readability of your code, because you don't want code to be too many lines, because that can hurt the readability for other programmers. So I recommend you that you use ternary operation in your project. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.